Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. It's almost a lock that Federal Reserve will begin cutting its key lending rates starting in September. And while interest rates are expected to decline over the next 2 years, they're still expected to remain above pre-2020 health crisis levels. In fact, the days of zero interest rate may be a thing of the past. And that's a great news for business development companies or BDCs like today's income pick, Ares Capital Corporation. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol ARCC. John?
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, Ares Capital Corporation is the largest publicly traded business development company in the U.S., focused on providing direct loans and other corporate investments to private middle market companies. Diversified portfolio consists primarily of senior secured loans focused on defensively positioned companies in less cyclical industries. It also invests to a lesser extent in equity investments. Ares Capital doesn't invest in just any company. It originates investments in market-leading companies with a history of stable cash flow, proven competitive advantages, and experienced management teams. Now, its portfolio has, as of this recording, a fair value of roughly $25 billion and consists of 525 different portfolio companies. Top industries served include software and services, healthcare services, and commercial and professional services. Now, the diversified portfolio has a significant downside protection. The average position size is just 0.2%, with the largest investment of 2%.
And I was reading at incomeinvestors.com that this BDC reported another strong quarter.
Companies need capital, and Ares is happy to lend it, especially in this high interest rate environment. The company continues to report strong financial results with second quarter net income of $322 million, or 52 cents per share, and core earnings per share of 61 cents. Now, net investment income during the second quarter increased 14% year over year to $358 million, or 58 cents per share. It reported a net realized gain of $12 million, or 2 cents per share, and that's up actually from a loss of $81 million, or a loss of 15 cents per share in the same period last year.
Paid a quarterly distribution of 48 cents per share.
Yeah, management noted that the company has had a stable or increasing dividend for 15 consecutive years, which is testament to its industry-leading track record. To that end, Ares Capital declared a third quarter dividend of 48 cents per share, or $1.92 per share on an annual basis, for a current forward yield of 9.19%. Now, that high-yield dividend is pretty safe, too. The payout ratio is just 65.53%.
And ARCC stock hit a new record high.
Yeah, now more often than not, an ultra-high yield, inflation-crushing dividend comes with a low share price. This isn't the case with Ares Capital. The company's high-yield dividend is pretty consistent with a 5-year average of 9.24%. It also is a tech stock that continues to trade at record levels. On June 6, Ares Capital stock hit a new record intraday high of $21.35. And it continues to trade near those levels and is, as of this recording, trading up around 10% year to date and 18% year over year. And there's every reason to believe Ares Capital stock will notch up fresh highs over the coming quarters, with Wall Street analysts providing a 12-month share price target of $23 per share.
Thanks, John, for your insights. Ares Capital Corporation is a great BDC with diversified portfolio that has provided shareholders with both an inflation-crushing dividend and strong underlying share price gains. For investors with long-term horizon, it's tough to beat Ares Capital, which has provided annual shareholder returns of 13% since its 2004 IPO. What does that look like? Had an investor invested $10,000 in Ares Capital when it IPO'd and reinvested its dividend, today that investment would be worth almost $20,000. Past performance is no guarantee of future gains, but Ares Capital has been a no-brainer for income investors for the last 20 years. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.